Hi traders, let's get started. In today's video I am going to talk about VPS, Virtual Private Server. Now, why it is so important for Forex trading? In today's video I am going to tell you all the reasons why you absolutely should use a VPS. I know many of you already know everything about VPS and you are using VPS for 25 years, but there are many new traders in the world who are just starting trading and they start EA trading and they don't know anything about it, and it is a great tool and it is a must in my opinion to use. First of all, you can leave your computer off, because when you are using a VPS you don't have to have your computer open to let your robot trade. You set up your robot or robots on your VPS and you just close your computer and your robots are going to run on a completely private server in a choosable place in the world, and of course without any interruption and of course without any interruptions, so you don't have to always care about if your computer just turned off and it couldn't close your trade with dynamic exit, if it was not reacting to news events, anything like that. Because when you're using a VPS you are always scanning, analyzing and trading the markets with your robots, and you don't have to do anything with your computer just at the beginning when you are setting your robots up on your VPS. The second reason is VPS servers are usually located in data centers with very high speed internet, and you can also choose the location of your VPS, so it means that the latency is going to be reduced, which is good for a precise entry and a precise exit for your trades with your trading robots. And you can see how it can really elevate your trading, not just in the way of comfort, but in the way of preciseness and quality. Here I just want to tell you that I am using my VPS now for more than 1 year, and as you can already see on my channel, if you watch my videos, I never accepted any affiliations really. I don't want to sell anything to my buyers that I wouldn't use, and so this VPS provider that I chose from multiple ones is called Deepgate, and now I am using them for more than a year with 5 accounts running on one single VPS, and they are great. Their customer service is also great, and many of the traders who chose this VPS through me, because it is an affiliation that I do, it is the only affiliation basically, are satisfied with it. So if you want to try out that VPS, just check out the link in the description. Back to the video. The third reason is that it gives you stability, and it is crucial for Forex trading. And what I mean by that is you are going to avoid system crashes, reboots, all this kind of crazy stuff that is making your life miserable without a VPS. And I've been there for 5 years without a VPS. It is not the best experience, but with VPS I don't even have to care about these things because my robots are always running there. The fourth reason is, and as you follow my channel, I am traveling the world for quite a while, and I have been trading from the widest places where there is no extremely good internet connection, or when I got robbed I didn't have a computer at all, but my robots were still running. And these situations when I didn't have a VPS. This was the reason why I started to use a VPS, because of my travels. Because when you are on the road, you can't let your computer open, and when you get robbed and you lose your stuff, that is a real pain. But with a VPS, you can store your stuff very securely. You can run your robots very securely, and anything happens, your robots are running on your VPS and trading for you. So it is a great feature of using a VPS. It is stability. And the last reason why, in my opinion, it is great to use a VPS is security, because most VPSs include firewalls, backups, data backups, and your trading robots and all your stuff that you are storing on your VPS, they are going to be saved, and they are going to be in a secure place. And I think if you are living in this world, in this day and age, with all these cyber scams and cyber warfare, you know how important it is. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave a like, subscribe. Ciao.